Learn how to get rid of your negative loops and fears. There's so many techniques like meditation, breathing techniques, energy tapping techniques, movement techniques, through which you can learn how to be in a calm state, create your highest version. There's a part of you that is always growing and expanding. Learn how to tap into that. Get into that calm state from where you can act more, create more, nurture your inner self and others as well. Join the 3 weeks course to learn how to inculcate that self-love and faith. Hello, I'm Karthika. I'm a certified life coach and yoga movement teacher. I'm also a dance movement therapist. Few years back, I met through severe anxiety. I was scared of going out in social gatherings. I had severe health anxiety and I even had panic attacks, which is when I came across Louise Hay and her teachings on self-love. After that, my life changed completely. I traveled solo all across the world. Now I have a home in the mountains where I'm growing my own food. I have all these animals around. I live every day in love, planting trees and just doing what I love to do. Thank you.